This time, the dish is fish and chips, a typical British dish.
Oh.
Prepare the white fish. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Dust with flour. If gluten-free, dust with rice flour. (25 to 50 milliliters beer or soda water). Two tablespoons flour or rice flour. 2 tablespoons potato starch. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt.
The secret of crispiness is sparkling water and baking powder. For gluten-free, use baking soda.
Stir quickly, then add the fish. Fry the fish in plenty of olive oil. Fry for 5 minutes on one side, then turn and fry for 3 minutes on the other side. The fish is ready to eat. As a side dish, fry some potatoes from the garden. The secret to eating them is SARSONS Malt Vinegar from England.
Wow!
Use 100% rice vinegar for gluten-free. Crispy fish and chips are ready. If Ta-San can do it, anyone can do it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.